Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add admin in WhatsApp community. Let's get into the video. So guys, once you log in into your WhatsApp community, you simply need to click on what? On your profile. After which, you simply scroll down and you are going to see the various members. You simply double tap on it and you hold it. After which, you simply click on what? Add admin. After that, you simply click on it. Okay. So guys, that's actually the way you add admin in WhatsApp community. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more video about this, you simply subscribe to this channel. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.